how to make vegan cream cheese frosting for carrot cake.
This is 1 1/2 cups of powdered sugar. Going to add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. This is 1 tablespoon of vegan cream cheese. We have the Kite Hill brand today, but Trader Joe's cream cheese is pretty good also.
And it's more budget friendly, so if you want to save some money, but I really like Kite Hill.
So we're mixing it in together, and this takes a little time.
You're cutting the cream cheese and coconut oil into the frosting. It would be the same as if you're cutting your butter and your animal cream cheese into the frosting. But this is vegan, guys, because veganism is amazing. And so you're just working it in. You can also do this in a food processor. I'll have a link in the video description with all the affiliated things that we talk about.
This is 2 tablespoons of water, and we're going to add half the water.
You just add it until you get the consistency you want. So not something super runny, but something nice and thick, but something still that can drip down the lines of your carrot cake.
Good frosting, I believe, is it needs to be thick. So just like a classic traditional frosting that's made from animals.
Plus the cream cheese gives it some tang, and the coconut oil helps it stay solid at room temperature because of the saturated fat content in it. Because without the coconut oil, it would have a harder time staying solid at room temperature. So you get those nice pretty lines, just like in a professional carrot cake you would get out at a shop.
So we have the carrot cake frosting, a nice cream cheese frosting consistency.
So don't forget to check out our video on carrot cake for the amazing recipe that we did on that, and I'll see you there.